Hi everyone, my name is Anushree and today I am going to show you the keypad controlled robot that I created under the guidance of my teacher Pavitra ma'am. This robot consists of jumper wires, Arduino board, motors, motor driver, battery and 4x4 matrix keyboard. I will be using my computer to run the code to make this robot function. When I am pressing a number, I have encoded the number. I have encoded the number on my computer. So when I press a number, the number that I have encoded on my computer will make the robot move front, back, sideways, left or right. So I am pressing the number 8, it goes front. Now I am pressing 0, it stops. When I press 1, it moves back. When I am pressing 0, it stops again. If I press 3, it goes to the side, then it stops. If I press 4, it goes to the other side and then it stops. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.